Engraving the inside and outside of rings with precision and personalisation has never been easier. The Magic E7 engraving machine could be your new go-to for stunning professional quality engravings. In this video, we'll walk you through every step of the process from setting up your engraving template to using the machine to engrave flawless designs. When engraving the outside of a ring, first measure the outer diameter of the ring using a digital vernier. Ensure outside ring engraving is also selected. Time to add your custom text. Click on Insert and then select text. Type in your engraving, whether it's initials, a special date, or a meaningful message. Adjust the font and size to your liking, and don't forget to center the text using the Center in Page button at the top. Highlight the text and select your chosen toolpath. Here we're using a single line toolpath. Enter the engraving details such as tool type, Z clearance and depth, then click Create Toolpath. Select your toolpath and click the Magic E7 button. Ensure outside ring engraving mode is selected before clicking Start Engraving. Now let's set up the Magic E7 for outside ring engraving. Switch the machine to outside ring mode and follow the instructions on the machine. Secure the ring in the rotary vise. Head back to the computer and press Start Engraving to send the engraving information to the machine. View and adjust the boundary mode with the arrow button. When you're happy with the positioning of the engraving, press the play button to start the engraving process. With the Magic E7, engraving intricate designs on rings has never been this seamless. By carefully measuring, setting up the templates and choosing the correct engraving modes, you'll get professional quality results every single time. Whether you're adding text, logo, or custom designs, this machine delivers precision and efficiency, taking your jewellery making skills to the next level. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more jewellery making tips and tutorials.